Lesson 39 Describing a mistake you've made. Japanese theme is 財布を落としてしまいました。It means I lost my wallet. First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
財布を落としてしまいました。
あら大変。交番に行ってごらんなさい。
それでどんな財布ですか？
黄色い財布です。
ああ、黄色。これですか？
それです。
Next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
財布を落としてしまいました。
あら大変。交番に行ってごらんなさい。
それでどんな財布ですか？
黄色い財布です。
ああ、黄色。これですか？
それです。
Okay, then let's study vocabularies from this skit. Please repeat after me. 財布落とす Okay, so Tam-san said like that. Please repeat after me. 財布を落としてしまいました。Good. It means I dropped my wallet. 財布を落としてしまいました。Let's move on to the next one. あら、大変。And how does sound react like that? Please repeat after me. あら、大変。Good. It means, oh my god. あら、大変。And next one. 交番。行く。手ごらんなさい。はるさん said like that. Please repeat after me. 交番に行ってごらんなさい。Good. It means you should go to the police station. 交番に行ってごらんなさい。And next one. それで。どんな Okay, police officer asked like that. Please repeat after me. それでどんな財布ですか？ Good. It means, so, what kind of wallet is it? それでどんな財布ですか？ And next one. 黄色い。That's the E adjective of yellow. Okay. Here, please repeat after me. 黄色い財布です。Good. It means it's a yellow wallet. 黄色い財布です。And next one. 黄色。これ。Please repeat after me. 黄色、これですか？ Good. Yellow. Is it this one? 黄色、これですか？ And next one, here. それ。And Thompson answered like that. Please repeat after me. それです。Good. It means just that's it. それです。Okay, these are new vocabularies. Let's move on to the next section. In the skit section, let's practice to read the whole sentence together. Please repeat after me. はるさん、財布を落としてしまいました。あら大変。交番に行ってごらんなさい。 それでどんな財布ですか？黄色い財布です。ああ、黄色。これですか？ああ、それです。Good. So, let's move on to the next key phrase section. Today's grammar is about describing a mistake you've made. Example sentences: 財布を落としてしまいました。It means I lost my wallet. To describe a mistake you've made, say the verb step form plus しまいました。しまいました expresses remorse or regret about what's happened, so it's perfect for talking about losing something. Anyway, grammar is here, and let's check the example sentence again. So please repeat after me. 財布を落としてしまいました。Good. It means I dropped my wallet. You know, like normal sentences like that. Here, please repeat after me. 財布を落としました。Good. It means also I dropped my wallet. But 財布を落としました tell you the just a fact, just a truth. I dropped my wallet. 財布を落としました。But this sentence, 財布を落としてしまいました。This sentence includes your regret. So I dropped my wallet and I regret this thing. And I made a mistake. So at a time, you can use this expression. So, ブラブラしてしまいました。It's like, it includes your regret and remorse. And it's more emotional expressions than 財布を落としました。Let's make the examples. Let's make another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. ダイエット中にケーキを食べてしまいました。Good. It means I ate a cake while I was on a diet. You know, when we are on a diet, so basically we shouldn't eat cake. But I ate a cake and I made a mistake. I regret this thing. At a time you can say ダイエット中にケーキを食べてしまいました。So 食べて is the tap form of eat and しまいました。Yeah, that's the pattern. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Here, please repeat after me. 試験の前日にお酒を飲んでしまいました。Good. It means I drank alcohol the day before the exam. You know, like he or she also regret about this thing because the day before the exam, we basically shouldn't drink alcohol. But then I did it. So that's why you can use the しまいました this expression. 試験の前日にお酒を飲んでしまいました。So another example is here. Okay, please repeat after me. 試験の前日に勉強をせずに寝てしまいました。Good. It means I went to bed without studying the day before the exam. You know, like we should study more and more, especially the day before the exam. But I didn't do it, so I regret about this thing. So you can say like 寝てしまいました。I went to bed without studying. Anyway, if you made a mistake, you can use this expression. This expression includes your remorse and regret. So let's check another example sentence which include a key phrase we studied. Please repeat after me. すみません。部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。お名前は Good. You know, when we stay at the hotel, we need to remember the room number, but he forgot about it. So, he said, 部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。I forgot my room number, and I understand I made a mistake. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Number 1, excuse me, I've spilled water. Okay, the Te form of spill water is 水をこぼして。Okay, so answer is here. Please repeat after me. Please repeat after me. すみません。水をこぼしてしまいました。Good. It means, excuse me, I've spilled water. I understand I shouldn't have done it, but I did it. So you can say, 水をこぼしてしまいました。Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Excuse me, I lost my ticket. The Te form of lose my ticket is 切符をなくして。So, answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。切符をなくしてしまいました。Great. Excuse me. I lost my ticket. すみません。切符をなくしてしまいました。I shouldn't have done it, but I did it. So you can use this expression. なくしてしまいました。And last one. Excuse me. I forgot my cell phone in the restroom. The Te form is about トイレに携帯を忘れて。So, answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。トイレに携帯を忘れてしまいました。Good. It means I forgot my cell phone in the restroom. So I understand I should brought the cell phone, but I forgot about it. So you can say トイレに携帯を忘れてしまいました。Okay, great. We finished all of the questions. So let's move on to the step up section. Okay, step up section is about colors. Okay, and that's the E adjective and noun. Please repeat after me. 青い、青、赤い、赤、黄色い、黄色、黒い、黒、白い、白。And these are non-adjective. Please repeat after me. 緑、緑の、sorry, no adjective. 緑の。And next one. ピンク、ピンクの。グレー、グレーの。Okay, so let's check the example sentence. Please repeat after me. 黄色い財布。Good, that's the E adjective. And next one is about noun. Please repeat after me. 緑の財布。Good, it means green wallet. Okay, so that's the basic colors. So please remember this expression. Alright, we've finished most of the activities. So lastly, let's review today's lesson. In the skit section, please focus on understanding whole story in Japanese. And what's more, let's check the trip tip and the kanji section as well. Anyway, let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
はるさん、財布を落としてしまいました。
あら大変。 交番に行ってごらんなさい。
それでどんな財布ですか？
黄色い財布です。
ああ、黄色。これですか？
それです。
Every neighborhood in Japan has a koban, a police box. It's the go-to spot when you're in trouble. Today we'll learn how to say you did something you didn't intend to. Tam said, 財布を落としてしまいました. First, change the verb conjugation to the form that ends with te. In this case, 落とす to drop becomes 落として. Then, add the phrase to mean you ended up doing something. しまいました. So, 落とす becomes 落としてしまいました. これが小田原城です。
かっこいいですね。あれ？
どうしたんですか？
カメラを忘れてしまいました。
私のを使ってください。
ありがとうございます。
こんにちは、入場チケットの方お願いいたします。
あれ？
どうしたんですか？
入場チケットをなくしてしまいました。
一緒に探しましょう。Today's phrase isn't just about losing or forgetting something. It has all kinds of uses. Now, the pronunciation. 財布を落としてしまいました。財布を落としてしまいました。Trick tip. Japan's castles draw visitors from near and far. The one in Odawara is listed in the top 100. It's just an hour or so from Tokyo. From the tower, the city of Odawara spreads out before you, and beyond that, the ocean. You can rent samurai armor and kimono at reasonable prices for a quick trip back in time. Today's kanji. Shiro, meaning castle. When you see kanji, have some fun and check the meaning and pronunciation. That's easy Japanese. 頑張って!
Okay, that's lesson 39. Describe a mistake you've made. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson, and thank you for having my class. See you next time.